guys, ready for phonics today? Let's start off with the phonemes we have already learnt. S, A, T, I, N, G, O, K, O, O, B, N, D, E, R, J, U, X, I, Z, O, S, Z. Okay, and today's diagram is this one, which is the Q and the U together. They make the sound qu, qu. And this one we normally see at the beginning of a word, qu. Okay, we'll have a look at that in a minute. Let's look at our new tricky words for this week. We have my, your turn. Was, your turn. Into, your turn. Okay, let's just remind ourselves, my, was, into. Okay, tricky words that cannot be blended. Okay, so our qu digraph. So when we see the Q and the U together, it makes a sound qu. Okay, let's have a look at some words using the qu sound. Okay, my turn, your turn. First word is quiz. Quiz. You have a go. Good, and the next word is quack. Two digraphs in this one, look. Quack. Quack. You have a go. Good, okay, now we're going to have a go at writing those words. So the first word was quiz. So robot arms at the ready. And we're going to segment that word for writing. Quiz. Quiz. Okay, so we need our qu digraph first, okay. Which looks like that. Qu is quiz. Okay, you have a go at home. And our next word was quack. Okay, ready? Quack, quack. Quack, and this one has the k digraph at the end. Okay, let's check it. Quack, quack. Okay, you have a go at writing that one at home for me. And don't forget to send me some pictures of your phonics work. I love to see what you've been doing at home with your grown-ups. See you soon.